Leo thought it was just a normal pen, until his drawing started moving. It was a quiet morning, and Leo found something unusual on his desk.
Wow, what's this? The pen seemed ordinary, but something felt magical. I decided to test it.
Whatever he wrote seemed to come true. He wrote, "The ball will roll to me."
It actually happened!
He giggled, thinking of all the fun things he could do. Then he wrote, "I will have chocolate milk." Leo couldn't believe it.
Wow!
He realized this pen was special, but how far could its magic go? He wrote, "My sandwich will fly to me."
It really floated! Next, I tried a bigger trick. I wrote, "All the papers in class will fly into the bin."
Chaos erupted, but Leo couldn't stop laughing.
Leo, what a mess!
Then he wrote, "My homework will finish itself." His friends couldn't believe their eyes. Leo felt powerful, but also a little nervous.
I wondered what would happen if I wrote something big.
A sudden idea popped into his mind.
I wrote, "The classroom will turn into a jungle." Monkeys swung from the ceiling. Even the blackboard started dancing.
His friends joined in, laughing and pointing.
Look, they're dancing! Wow, so pretty!
Then Leo grew curious about outside world magic.
I wrote, "The playground swings will fly."
Kids gasped and laughed, trying to grab them.
Whoa, look! Yeah, grab it!
Leo realized the pen's magic was growing stronger.
I tried something small again, writing, "I will float."
Leo giggled, hovering above his desk. He wondered what would happen if he wrote a really big wish. He hesitated, then wrote, "Everyone will be happy." Suddenly, small magical sparkles appeared everywhere. Everyone laughed, smiled, and felt joyful.
I realized the pen could really make a difference if used wisely. I decided to use the pen to help others.
He wrote, "The sick bird will fly again."
The bird chirped happily, free once more.
Next, he helped a classmate who had dropped her books.
Here you go. Thank you.
Everyone started noticing Leo's magical touch.
See? It works.
Leo wanted to try one last big wish. He wrote, "Everyone in my school will be happy today." Sparkles floated everywhere, spreading joy.
Wow, so beautiful. They're dancing.
Then I noticed something unusual.
The pen seemed to have a mind of its own. It wrote a final message by itself. Use kindness wisely.
I understood that true magic was in helping others. I used the pen one last time to write thank you notes for everyone.
The notes paper floated to the students, who smiled in surprise.
I felt proud. I had used the pen for good.
Then, the pen returned to normal.
I realized the real magic was kindness and imagination. I hid the pen carefully, ready for the next adventure.
Leo waved goodbye to his friends, happy and fulfilled. He knew magic wasn't just in a pen, it was in every kind act.